Oh, it's pretty neat, I guess.
You guess?
You guys?
A lot of work went into this place, you know? Work made possible by generous contributions from citizens like yourself.
Yeah.
And it was worth it, don't you think?
Look, she has lipstick on, and her lipstick is in the shape of a heart. Yeah, girly.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I'm nervous. She's making me nervous.
Look, I can find another way to pay my taxes, but for now, I'd really just like to...
I would love to pay my taxes.
Even more gorgeous than the coral reefs, wouldn't you say?
I was kissing my computer screen! Look at this lady. Where do you think she got her shirt from?
I've learned